With spacers are an essential modification for off-roaders and performance enthusiasts. By pushing the wheels outward, the spacer increases the track weight, which enhances grip and reduces body roll. And if you want to get your wheels flush to the fender with stock wheels, spacers can also achieve this effect. With spacers can help create extra wheel track weight. They are fitted between the wheel hub assembly and the wheel to increase space.
This can prevent the tires from rubbing against the fender flares or suspension components when making turns or hitting bumps.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, Hub-Centric with spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns.
BONOSS active cooling with spacers send air into the rotors to keep temperature down. This comes with active cooling grooves, which allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when rotating. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. This is helpful to reduce brake thermal decay and improve road safety.
Hub-Centric with spacers are designed to fit perfectly around the vehicle's hull, ensuring that the wheel's weight is evenly distributed according to the hull, and not the wheel studs. This minimizes the risk of vibrations and ensures a better fit.
BONOSS spacer with multi-stage Hub-Centric design. The Hub-Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers feed the corresponding hub spacers, which the spacer more closely with the hub. Eliminates vibration caused by inaccurate data. BONOSS spacer provide high performance for additional functions, fast customer service, and friendly service, which is your best choice. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS Ford F-150 with spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.